Hey everyone, Spencer Janke, Team Utah Cribs with Berkshire Hathaway. Just wanted to give you an update regarding our movie premiere that we will be holding on Saturday, November 6th at Jordan Commons. Many of you have seen all of our advertisements. This is the new movie for Marvel's Eternals movie. It's awesome. I'm so excited. The new trailer is incredible, and I'm sure you guys are really excited. I know Jake is a huge Marvel buff and absolutely is thrilled about this event. I'm excited just to see you all, as it's been so long since we've done one of these, and again, we are very, very excited. So the quick update, I won't take too much of your time today, is that, again, the movie event will be on Saturday, November 6th at Jordan Commons. Now, the movie starts at 2:45 p.m. They just recently released the movie start times, so we just were informed of this. So wanted to make sure that you guys were aware. So many of you have RSVP'd, so thank you very much. Put it on your calendars, Saturday, November 6th at Jordan Commons. The movie starts promptly at 2:45 p.m. Again, Jordan Commons, 2:45. Looking forward to seeing you all there, and please grab me, say hello. I'm always running around, but I'm excited to enjoy the movie with all of you and see your smiling faces. Hope all is well, and look for our real estate updates. We've got some great info coming soon, and I'll see you at the movie. Thanks.